Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for coming this evening to celebrate our much-awaited annual gala dinner. Our last dinner was in 2017 when we had FANASBA annual meeting. I would like to convey special gratitude to all our board members, particularly Mr. Salah Sharaf, Mr. Madhu, Mr. Ramesh, Mr. Fahim, and Mr. Jairam, who helped me to organize our maiden golf tournament and gala dinner. Special thanks to Ms. Angela of Sharaf Group, who helped us to prepare the flyer for the golf tournament. Special thanks to Mr. Fahim of Almar Containers, who sponsored the team of Ms. Mumtaz Qazi of iDigitize, who helped us to do the registration online and delivered the badges to you all. This event would not have been possible without their support. Kindly join me to thank each one of them with a big applause. This evening would not be completed without me thanking my ex-boss, Mr. Sadi Al-Rais, who has been my great support and a mentor since DSAA's inception, which helped DSAA to reach this level. Thank you, Mr. Sadi. I would also like to thank our sponsors for the golf tournament, Platinum